how to redeem Roblox gift card on PS5. Now if you want to get the rewards on your PS5, then what you have to do is to get your phone or get on a PC, and you will just go search for Roblox redeem. Then you want to click on the first link that pops up right here, and it is going to ask you to sign in. So we are just going to click on login here if you're not already logged in, and then I'm going to fill out my password here, and I'm going to click on login. Now once you click on login, it's going to take you to this page. You will be able to see your account right here. Let me just focus. So you should be able to see it. Okay, well, that didn't work. Anyway, so you should see the page here where you can redeem your code. So you will just type your code in this field, and once you type out your code, you are gonna click on redeem, and that's gonna redeem it to the account as long as it's linked to PS5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.